Okay, next question 3, B3. Calculate the initial velocity, U of the trolley. Okay, the initial velocity, which is U of the trolley. So the initial velocity, we just need to look at the first strips. This one. Okay, so the length of the strip is 2 cm, and the time, okay, the time, we have 3 ticks in one strip. So that's mean the time for each strips equals to 3 times. What is the time between 2 ticks? It is 0.02 second. So we have 0.06 second. So we have the length or the displacement, and then we have the time taken. So U can be calculated by using displacement over time, which is equals to 2 centimeter divided by 0.06 second. So your answer should be equals to 33.33 centimeter per second. Okay, next, calculate the final velocity of the trolley. Okay, same formula. So V equals to S divided by T. So for final velocity, we need to look at the last strips. Okay, we need to look at the last strip. So the last strips, the length is equals to 10 centimeter. The time taken should be equals, since they have the same amount, same number of ticks. So it is 0.06 second. So 10 divided by 0.06. So you will get 166.67 centimeter in 1 second. Okay, next we will look into this question. Calculate the time interval T for the trolley to accelerate. Okay, for this question, it is quite tricky for ticker tape because, okay, the step is you need count how many strips do we have before it complete its acceleration. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 strips. So we have 5 strips, and then we need to minus 1. That means if you have 10 strips, you need to minus 1. So you will get 9. In this case, you need to minus 5 with 1. So time with the, so this is the number of strips. So that means we need to insert, okay, the time for one strip. Okay, so remember time between 2 ticks equals to 1 divided by 50, which is 0.02. Time for strips, since we have 3 ticks, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here. So we have 3 ticks in one strip. Okay, so it will be 0.02 times 3. So you will get 0.06. That means the time for each strip can be changed based on the how many ticks that we include in our strip. So in this question, we use 3 ticks. So that means 0.02 times 3. So you will get 0.06. 0.06 second. And then we know that this is the time for one strip. So it is 0.06 second. So the total time interval for the trolley to accelerate is 4 times 0.06. So you should get 0.24 second. Okay, this is the time interval for the trolley to accelerate. Okay, next, the last question. Calculate the acceleration of the trolley. So this one you can use the formula A equals to V minus U divided by T. So V, the final velocity, you can use this information. So 166.67 minus U, which is 33.33, divide by the time interval, which is 0.24. So your final answer should be equals to 555.71. What about the unit? Okay, the unit for numerator, it is speed or velocity, minus 1. And then unit for time is second. So your unit for acceleration should be centimeter per second square. Okay. So where is the decimal place? Okay. So this is how you can solve the problem that involve. This is how you can solve the problem that involve ticker tapes or ticker tape chart. Okay, in force and motion. So that's all for this question. Thank you.